So, Virus, you asked me why. Here's the why. Is the sextant an angle measuring device?
Yes.
Okay. Is that horizon mirror the baseline, one of those straight lines?
Yeah.
Okay. So, welcome to Flat Earth.
So if I had a basketball and I put like, the little Monopoly houses and hotels that you have when you're playing Monopoly, and I put a few of them on one side of the basketball, and then I go maybe not halfway, but maybe 3/4 of the way and put some more houses on the other side of the basketball. There's a physical obstruction there, isn't there?
Yeah, so between the flea coming out of his Monopoly house to see over his picket fence into the distance, there's going to be a physical geometric sphere edge horizon akin to the claim of Earth curve that would obscure that, what do we say, flea's view of the other hotel across the way with a geometric physical limitation to their view in the distance. And that would be the edge of the basketball. That isn't comparable to our horizon. We've shown with the Black Swan that it's beyond the geometric limitations of an Earth sphere radius 3959, in the same way as that basketball would give you a physical geometric limitation a la the horizon on the basketball.
Oh dear.
Well, it's even now with the sextant argument so strong, it is impossible for a sextant to work off of a curved surface. In fact, you can't use a scale off of a curved surface to get an angle.
But why you don't go to the church every day and go there and tell the priest that God that doesn't exist and speak, say something, but be against the God every day in the church? Can you do that?
I'm not an atheist.
Yeah, that's true. Why are you here?
You are doing that here.
Yeah, that's what you're
Man,
doing.
I'm not speaking about religion.
You had no idea about sextants. You even admitted that yourself, that you did not know anything about sextants. And now, no, but earlier you said, "Oh, I know everything about sextants." You said that earlier.
I didn't say I know everything about the sextant. I don't know everything about the
sextant.
sextant.
Nathan asked you why you're on here, and you said one of the things you said you knew about was
the sextant.
Okay.
I know about the sextant, not all about the sextant.
Fine.
There's a difference.
But you know about some aspects of it. So how do you spell chord?
Well, the way they spell it in math is C-H-O-R-D. The way I spelled it was C-O-R-D.
In the end. We got there in the end. So when you said it was C-O-R-D...
No, it's actually...
So rather than fundy muting me, so when you said it was C-O-R-D earlier, what was that all about?
Okay, yeah, I misspelled it when I...
Twice?
Oh, my bad.
After clarity?
I misspelled it at first, but then...
Misspelt it would imply that it was an accident, but you gave clarity. You repeated that misspelling of it twice.
Yeah, but the definition was still the same.
You were just wrong, thick. Didn't know what you were talking about. Didn't know how to spell it. Didn't know what the word meant. Couldn't define it.
He spelled it as if he was on
in the chat. The way that I misspelled it still came out the right way.
Virus.
No.
Virus.
It wasn't misspelling.
Okay, in a minute. Virus. If this was a show about fabrics and sewing and garments, you spelled it right.
Hey, and chord dancing.
Yeah,
he was probably thinking about chord dancing. Right? Weren't you, Akuma? Weren't you thinking about chord dancing?
No. When you said it had an intrinsic curve, no, it didn't. Chord lines don't have any intrinsic curve.
I was telling you it's a part of an
So why would you interrupt me steadily and calmly detailing something that you didn't understand and couldn't even spell? You think that needs interruption, do you?
Because
that's one of the reasons you're not very welcome here. Yeah, wanker?
Please.
Middle of telling you. Maybe that requires you talking straight through me. Maybe in 2 minutes you can moan how you're getting spoken through. As I point out that, no, a straight line between 2 points that may be curved above that straight line, yeah, that's not intrinsically curved. That was a misapprehension. And it seemed that when we asked you to clarify it and even spell it, you couldn't do any of the above.
Virus, what do you point the horizon mirror to?
It's in the name.
There's those fading facts. One more time.
An answer.
No, just Virus for me, please. It's in the name, yes. So what do you point it to if it's in the name?
It's in the name.
What do you point it to? If you're the
What's it
navigator and
Called the horizon mirror.
Exactly, it's in the name.
So it's pointing
Right,
at
so
the
you're
mirror.
the-
So hold on. So you point it at the mirror.
No.
But
Hey,
he
why you
doesn't
gonna
know.
point a mirror at
He
yourself?
doesn't know, man.
How can you
He
do
doesn't
that?
No.
know
What do you mean no? It's in the fucking name, you said, you stupid boy.
Use a little common sense.
So we don't point it at the mirror then. It's not in the name then, because so far it's in the name. I say mirror, which is in the name, and you say no.
Well, use a little common sense with that. You can't point a mirror at itself.
So what do you point the horizon mirror at, Virus?
You just said it right before.
Wanker, maybe? Wanker? Wanker?
You're just wasting time.
Wanker?
This is annoying.
Wanker much? Wanker?
God.
Wanker? So what do you point it at? It's the 5th time the question's been put to you. In the name got you sworn at. Now maybe you could just fucking answer like a reasonable person might answer this question. When asked what the horizon mirror's pointing at, Virus, answer.
It's in the name, and it's not.
Cool.
Mirror.
Well, the mirror, prick, dick, wanker, hello, wanker. Is it a problem for you to say horizon there, little masochist? Is it a problem? Try it on for size. Say horizon. Try it on for size, you pathetic little weasel.
Thank you. He just answered it for me.
What?
That's the word I was looking for.
Can you say it? Can you say it, or is it a
you
scary
doing-
word? Scary word. Chant through it. Is it maybe you could repeat what I said?
10th, come on with it.
Maybe you could bleat for 10th because it is so terrifying to repeat that word. Why is this a scary word?
Horizon.
Oh, 10th. The horizon mirror's pointing at the horizon. Virus just confirmed it. Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Virus.
That only took 15 minutes.
I
All
wonder
right, so
why.
Virus.
Why? Hold
Yeah.
on. Why would that take 15 minutes? I don't get it. Back to my original question, Virus. Is this a scary word for
Y'all
you?
being stupid for some reason.
Sorry, not being stupid. I'm asking if it's scary. You struggled to say it took 15 minutes.
Y'all acting like it's a scary thing to say.
Yeah, that I'm asking directly now with an upward inflection. Is this scary for you?
No.
Well, Black Swan, bitch. Better fucking be, because it's the annihilation of your globe, Faith, bitch. Your horizon's a geometric physical earth curve edge obstruction. And Black Swan, bitch. How'd you like them fucking apples? Do you like them slapping around your face with the salt? Black Swan, bitch.
Okay, anyway.
Okay. That'll be the slap of a white man's nuts around your face, bitch.
Okay, what?
Black Swan, bitch.
Getting a little racial there. All right.
No. I have actually got white nuts, and I am actually, metaphorically, I say, slapping them around your face.
Chill.
Yeah, I am metaphorically slapping you around your face with my white nuts. Black Swan, bitch.
Nature.
Okay, so
Sorry, did you not like the scary horizon word? Because now you're getting shouted at. Black Swan. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is?
I don't
You know what
care
Black
about
Swan
the
means?
horizon word.
Do
Let
you
me get
know
to the
what it
point that Tenth
means?
was making.
You know what it means,
know
chanter? Chant through me. Maybe it'll save the pain of this horizon you didn't want to say. Now you've said it.
I don't
Black
care about the
Swan. Black Swan, baby.
Okay, that's fine. Black.
Fine. No, it's the
means
annihilation of
it's
your
dead.
globe, Faith. I thought that was just made clear.
Dead.
10th, what's the point?
10th? No, my name's Nathan again. It's that guy slapping you around with his white nuts. Nothing racial in it.
10th, what's your point?
Not 10th. The name's Nathan. You hear that? It's the sound of my nuts, bitch. Get laugh it up, Fundy. Black Swan, it's the end of your globe, Faith. The moment you say that scary word, horizon, yet yours is a physical geometric limitation to your view called Earth curve. And Black Swan, baby, all you can do is chant through it. Yeah, chant through me, bitch. I love it.
Point.
Chant through it.
Was 10th making a point?
No, Nathan was making a point about the Black Swan. Yeah, can you not have... Is it not ringing in your ears? My nuts slapping you around the face when I said Black Swan and asked if you were scared to talk about that horizon that would be a geometric limitation in your Earth curve fantasy.
Okay, you want to talk about the horizon? Let's talk about the horizon.
Yeah, it's used to be a geometric limitation called Earth curve. We debunked that with the Black Swan. About the 10th time I've said it.
It was no, it's not.
Just mutter for me, bitch, yeah, mutter. Black Swan, are you deaf? Not a problem. Maybe tell me it's not a problem when your Earth curve edge horizon's been debunked by it.
What about the Black Swan?
It's debunked your Earth curve edge horizon. That's about the 10th or 11th time I've told you in the last 2 minutes.
How?
If the Earth was a sphere with a radius of 3959, then every distance to the horizon could be no more than 1.2 times the square root of the observer's height in feet. And the Black Swan shows the horizon beyond the geometric limitations of a sphere Earth. Ergo, the Earth is not a sphere, and the horizon is not Earth curve. It's called the Black Swan. I think you're acquainted.
Yeah, that's logic.
Sorry, did you need to mutter through that, bitch?
No, I was...
Oh, well, why the fuck did you? Are you scared of the horizon and Black Swan? Because you muttered like a chanting fundy bitch through every last word of it, didn't you, Virus?
No.
Oh, yeah?
Where are you pointing now, that thing in Sextant?
So, response, maybe? Your horizon that we're pointing at with the sextant getting a straight line to it. Well, that's not Earth curve, mate. Black Swan. Your Earth curve edge with 8 inches per mile squared to it drops, geometric limitations, physical obstructions. Earth curve horizons aren't what are going to be used with this geometric tool. No. Black Swan.
Okay, no, there's nothing wrong with the Black Swan. What about...
Nothing wrong with you losing your geometric sphere edge for horizon. No, we haven't got Earth curve in this equation, my friend. Earth obviously, observably, measurably and navigatably flat as per the sextant description you gave us when we welcomed you to Flat Earth, also not a problem.
No, that's not a problem either. I don't mind.
Well, you haven't got a sphere edge for a horizon. That's a massive problem if you think you're on a sphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. So, how do my balls taste, you stupid clown?
I mean, it's obviously a problem if you think...
A problem for you? Yeah, that's right, bitch. That's why we kept your head around.
So, Virus, you asked me why. Here's the why. Is the sextant an angle measuring device?
Yes.
Okay. Is that horizon mirror the baseline, one of those straight lines?
Yeah.
Okay. So, welcome to Flat Earth.